Pont, bridge, pont. The Romans brought that with them with their Latin many centuries ago when they came to Wales, and we just kept it. Pont. You can go over a pont, you can go under a pont. And I like to remember the word for under in Welsh because it's Dan, and I like to think that's a name that you can give to a man. The word man in Welsh is dyn, which is also a name you can give to a man. The word man itself is a Welsh word, but it doesn't mean man. That's dyn, remember? But the word man means a place or a location or a spot. And we tend to use it at the end of words like canolfan, which means a centre. Canol, middle. Canolfan, a centre, like a canolfan iechyd, a health centre. Canolfan chwaraeon, a sports centre. Canolfan hamdden, a leisure centre. The word van at the end there also appears as just va sometimes. So you'll see it as mynedfa, from mynd, to go, a go place, an entrance. Allanfa, allan means out. Allanfa, a place where you go out, an exit. Cornish also uses va to do much the same as like create a location as well. And one of my favourite occasions where they do that is their word for a toilet, which I kid you not, search it yourself, is a pissva. Absolute genius. Right, I'm off for a wee down a bont.